This element, we have the slab element. So under the slab element, if you go to the slab element at the element navigator on the left, you click on the slab, you can see all the information of the slab. Okay, but in order for us to identify the main bar and also the category of the bar, we can click on either the slab main bar or the slab support bar. Okay, so in this case, since we are not able to view the information from the CAD drawing because we did not have the software, you can go to add the drawing at the identify function. So go and add the drawing identify function, go to the add drawing manager and click to the add drawing. So here we already split the 3 drawings. What you have to do first, make sure you relocate the drawing accordingly. As usual, you can relocate. Click on the relocate at the identify tab and then go to the drawing where you can see from the CAD drawing until you see the yellow X over there. So relocate and see the yellow X over there. Then you can drag to the new axis. Okay, so let's say this is your new axis. So let's try again. This is the new. This is the original. Then make sure you relocate to the new axis. So you can see the arrangement of the slab already there. Okay, this is the slab. Okay, after that, in order for you to add in the information, you can add in the slab main bar. Okay, add in the new. Then you can see there are 3 options available. Since our detail here show A8, top, bottom, and so on, that is under the steel fabric category. So once you add in the steel fabric category, let's say we would like to measure for the S1. This is S1, one box of the S1 only. What you can do, you can edit the information here at the attribute editor. So let's say you before we identify, you can zoom in and check. We have A8 bottom and A8 top. So how you want to see the arrangement, you can see the line in gray color. So A8 bottom start from this point to this point and A8 top start from this point to this point. Okay, let's say we edit this one first. We choose A8 and then we put here top. Okay, and then you press enter. So it will go down to the next item that you have to edit at the attribute editor. So you can click here on A8 and then this one is top bar. So under the category you can change to top bar. Okay, so next one we also have the bottom bar. What you can do, you can either add in the new right click here, new elements here, or you can choose to add in the new bar by referring to this button. So this is copy button. It will automatically update the same thing, but you have -1. So what you can do here, you can rename the attribute editor here to bottom instead of having top only. So we have bottom. Okay, because the detail are similar, A8. So you change here to bottom, and then the category here you can update to bottom bar. Okay, go back to the model. Then we can see the arrangement of, then you can update the arrangement of the bar.